Freeland.
What's your name?
Asia.
Asia what?
Freeland.
Freeland.
How old are you?
4.
What grade are you in?
Pre-K.
Okay. What did you eat for breakfast today?
Cereal.
What did you eat for breakfast yesterday? Do you remember?
Cereal.
Cereal? What did you wear yesterday?
Clothes.
What was the color of your shirt?
Blue.
Blue? Okay. What time did you wake up this morning?
11.
11? You woke up at 11? Okay. What time do you leave in the morning to go to school?
Like 58.
So you woke up this morning at 7? Yeah. You woke up at 7? And you wore a white shirt yesterday? Did you wear a white shirt yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
And you had a Pop-Tart for breakfast yesterday?